It's a rainy day in Pawnee National Grasslands. But it's a nice view out the window. Those are Pawnee peaks. Camping in Pawnee National Grasslands in northern Colorado on a rainy day. And the wind's blowing. Where's my windmill? It's pretty peaceful out here. Not a lot of people, as you can see. Now the biggest local tourist point here is called Pawnee Peaks, and here they come. Alright, we could go, yeah, there you go. What's wrong with that? Alright, I don't know. Okay, and then we're back to here. So we'll see how we did.